Luminar looks allow you to expand your creativity, and it's easy to save custom looks so you don't have to keep reinventing the wheel to get the style that you want. We're going to work with an image that's pretty much processed, and I like the way this image looks, but now I want to just play with stylizing the image. If you don't see your Looks panel, click on the Looks button in the upper left-hand corner of the interface, and this will reveal the panel of your initial looks. Now, here are the essential looks, but if I click on that, you can see that there's a variety of looks that are available to me. You may have different looks inside of your looks collection. So let's play with this image. Instead of working with the Essentials tab, I want to play with something to do with maybe lifestyle. So I can select that looks collection, and the bottom panel will populate with all of the looks from that collection. So it's easy to step through each of the looks and see how they affect your image, and you may have one that just pops and speaks to you. The nice thing is with any of these looks, if I think it's too much, I can always dial it back using the amount slider. You're not just limited to the built-in looks. You can download more looks directly from the Skylum website. Open up the Looks collection and click on Get More. This opens your browser into the Luminar Marketplace, and there you can click on Looks. The Signature Looks collection are looks that are for sale, and there's a variety of looks that you can buy and download. There's also a variety of looks that you can get for free, so let's step over from Signature Looks into the Looks collection. And one of my favorite looks is the Sakura Blossom Looks. Click on Learn More and click on the Download button to download this collection to your computer. Once the file has been downloaded, go back into Luminar, and underneath the File menu, there's an option to add a Luminar Looks collection. Now navigate to where you downloaded the file, click on the file, and simply hit Open. You'll see that you've successfully added this Looks collection to your Luminar Looks library. Let's explore how these looks can affect the image. I really like the effect of this look, yet I want to tweak it a little bit. Now, a look is simply a recipe of tools with adjustments already made to make my image have a certain feel and style. But I can easily modify those by going over to the Edit tab and adjusting any of the sliders that created that look. Looking under the Pro Tools, I see the Color Enhancer and Split Toning were used. So I can go back here to Color Enhancer, and I can switch the hue or the warmth of my image. I'm going to try warming up the image. No, this was shot at night, so I think cooling it down is really stylistically what I want to go with. And I can also use Split Color Warmth to cool off my cools a little bit, as well as to cool off the warm areas. And this is giving me more of the vibe I want, yet I'm building on the existing look. I could continue tweaking my image if I wanted to change contrast or light, but I like the way this look is working, and if I wanted to, I could go back down to the look, and if I right-click on it, I could update this look with my new modified settings. But I want to save this look because it might work really well on other images. So instead of updating this, I'm going to save this as a brand new look. I'll click on Save New Look on the right side of my Looks panel. I'll get a dialog box to give it a name, and I might want to make sure that I knew it was based upon Sakura, so I'll type in Sakura Custom 1. This new look is placed inside the User Luminar Looks collection. So if I'm in a different look, say Portrait, and I want to get back to that, all I have to do is click on my User Luminar Looks, and there I will find all the looks that I've created. But where are these looks actually stored? Because maybe I love this so much I want to share it with some of my friends. If I go up under File, in the drop-down menu, there's an option that says Show Luminar Looks folder. And this is where all of your custom looks are stored. And from here, I can choose to back these up. I can choose to send them to a friend, or if somebody sends me some looks, I can drop them into this custom folder, and they will now show up within the Luminar application. Luminar looks allow you to expand your creativity, and it's easy to save custom looks so you don't have to keep reinventing the wheel to get the style that you want.